Hi there, my name is Mickey Singh and I will tell you top 5 apps that will make you free money. But before that, can you subscribe and click the bell icon for when I upload more easy money making sites or apps. So in 5th place we have Pocket Bounty. Allows you to earn coins by taking surveys, downloading apps and watching videos. They exchange for Amazon and Google as well as PayPal payments. In 4th place we have Fronto, where you place adverts on your phone, lock screen and pays points for unlocking your phone, which is not a very bad idea. In 3rd it's Toluna, which is on app for taking surveys, which you can earn up to 2,000 plus points. So I guess them points you can cash in for Amazon or PayPal for cash. Second we have Roamler, who pays you for performing small mystery shopping tasks around the city. So this must be your local city. Obviously not going to send you anywhere far, are they? We'll never know. And first is Job Spotter, which is simple to use and open by pressing a button on your phone to load the camera and snap the advert of a store's name and submit it. That's all you have to do and you will get point for that, and seems pretty easy. So please check these apps out if you want to earn free cash, and like and subscribe if you liked the video, and more money making videos will be uploaded very soon. Thank you and take care. Bye.